Hey guys, just putting up this quick little video. This is my SuperMax 2550 and I'm posting on it right now because I want to go over the Outfeed tables on this thing. They're optional. I haven't really seen any videos on this on YouTube. Maybe I just haven't looked in the right places. You know, there's a couple videos of people with pictures of them on, but they haven't really talked about it. So really briefly, I'm going to talk about it. There's two versions of this table. One is meant for the closed stand, which I have here, and there's one meant for the open stand. The two are completely different as far as this bracket right here. The length of this is much longer, which allows for the stand lip over here. If you order the wrong one, it will not work and you cannot make it work. So I will throw the part number in the description below, so if you're ordering it from somewhere like Woodcraft, you know which one to do. Really quick, it's real easy and kind of cool how it works. You just lift up on it, and each side has a spring-loaded catch that this locks down on, so when you get it folded up, it's level. It's fairly easy to level. If you look at underneath, you've got the bolt that screws into the side of the table, and this right here is a hex head leveling screw. So this will pitch the table up or down depending on how far you've got this screwed in, and then you just tighten these guys down. So easy way to do it is just put a straight edge on there, loosely tighten the big bolt here, and then just start cranking on this until you get it very close to being level, and then just tighten this down and see where this table deflects to. You're not going to be able to get it within thousandths, but you'll be able to get it pretty quick. And I would say to over pitch this up just a hair, because the weight from a piece of wood going through is going to pitch it down just to be exact. But that's it, really quick, really nice. They fold up on both sides, so it gives you a nice flat work surface, and it keeps you from getting as much of snipe, because it, you know, the one side's not going to sag or pitch down. So hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions on setup, give me a holler in the comments below.